Hello and welcome to your free training. I cannot wait to get you through the basics of affiliate marketing in general. There's too much nonsense out there, too much irrelevant stuff you need to know, and all you need to know is the basics. So, here's a free video just to get you started, okay? Alright, so, we know what affiliating is. We refer products and we get a commission for it. So, let's go straight into this. No nonsense, okay? Because I know you're ready and you've been waiting for a long time to make some money. So, let me help you with that. Alright, so the first thing, what are the best sources to promote? Well, we know ClickBank. ClickBank's very popular, okay? So create an account on ClickBank. It deposits straight into your account. It doesn't do PayPal, that's the problem. But ClickBank's very good, okay? There's a lot of crap sites out there, but I'll tell you how you find the good ones and the bad ones. So let's start with ClickBank. Alright. So let's do, right now I'm in the marketing and business niche, I think. Alright. No, this is my favorites, my bad. Alright, so I'm gonna show you let me show you some links, alright, and to tell you what makes a affiliate page good or bad, what wants to promote. Alright, so this one, what's good about this page is a video, okay? You wanna promote affiliates with videos, and then that is better than most other things.
Hey, this is Fred.
That's loud, Jesus. But this also has a video, and it has a great. Already says grab a copy, so people are gonna buy this. It's quite affordable too. So that's another good example. Um, so these type of videos as you want. They videos short but sweet, excites the user. So it doesn't matter what niche you're using, you still want the same thing. I'm also gonna mention another site now. It's called JVZoo. Okay, and Muncheye is a site which is connected to JVZoo and a couple other ones. See ClickBank, and what Muncheye does, it tells you all the new releasing content which you can promote. I'm gonna tell you how you can promote this later, but first of all, here it shows it. As you see, this is the 10th. Right now it's the 6th as recording this date. So you could prepare to promote this. The day it comes out, promote it. So you're gonna be one of the first. All the traffic is gonna be for you. So this is very good, good way. And this is made with Jay-Z. See, visit the sales page. So you would visit the sales page. You have to go through this nonsense. No. Oh. Okay,
Hello.
this is the page these are like the pages you're gonna promote, and this is a solid page. This will get sales, and this is what you want to look for. Okay, you promote this on JVZoo. It usually always get accepted. Just say you're promoting it on this site. You have to give them a short message. I'll show you to the page in a bit, but that's the basics. Okay, all right. So for the first things, let's say you want to promote this link, right? This is what you have to do after you find your site. You wanna get the link or whatever you use, right? You wanna put it through BitLink, right? Here's one of my BitLink sites. This is one of my small ones I just started. But what you wanna do is you wanna press create and put your link in, okay? Make sure you sign up and then add whatever you're doing, and then you'll put it in. It's quite simple. And once you have that small link, it should look like this. More people. It's more reliable. It looks cleaner. You're not going to get banned when you try and promote. So that's important. So make sure you do that next. Okay? And now what's this link gonna take us to? You might thinking, are we gonna link us straight to the sales page, or you're not gonna link us to the sales page? You have to treat them with some free content before you link them to the sales page. Because most people are not gonna buy straight off. So for example, is this the link you got to get this affiliate training? You wanna do something like this, offer free value, okay? So a good way to offer free value is through Buildall. Buildall is the best website builder out there, and you need to get a web page. Trust me, every popular business out there has a web page. You need it, guaranteed. You can't just link people to an affiliate and get sales. Cold does not work. Cold marketing never works, alright? You need to get a sales funnel, and the best one out there for me is Builderall. ClickFunnels is too expensive. WordPress is too much stress. You have to go, through the backlogs and change all the settings. This is the best overall, okay? And on the web page you're on right now, you should see a link to give you a free trial just to try it out. And that link will save your life. As you can see on the screen, look at all these types of headlines you can do. Look, free. This is your headline, name, and intro, logo. It has everything. You got nothing to lose. Okay, look, software, and you want to provide free content. And I will show you what free content to do in a bit. So, as you can see, this will promote your free product, and you put them on your email list, and then your email list will slowly, and then you'll start promoting products through your email. Okay, now I want to get more into this, but I will leave my second video on the site Coolsbox. Okay, this site is very cheap. It's $3 for a week, only $3. That's the price of a coffee. So what are you gonna risk? The price of a coffee, or this is the second video which will teach you everything. It will teach you training, all the training, how to use Builderall, how to promote. Okay, the promoting is the easy part, but the way how to do the traffic is very important, and I will teach you everything on the second site, free methods and paid methods. So a link should be on your screen for Cubebox now, not Cubebox. My bad. The Coolsbox, the coolsbox.co. Okay, try that, and the second video to this will be there. Thank you, and I hope this helped.